Use the hat. Claudia, your turn.
But I want Dora to pick that.
H, Miss S, I said give me the hat.
But I